When it comes to comfort, safety, and efficiency, you need a team that you can trust. At North Face Mechanical, we provide top-tier HVAC and plumbing services for home and businesses, whether it's installing cutting-edge systems, repairing urgent issues, or maintaining peak performance. We have you covered. We combine expert craftsmanship with the latest technology to keep your environment comfortable and efficient all year round. From emergency repairs to energy-efficient upgrades, our goal is simple: deliver quality service you can rely on every time.
We are your trusted partner for HVAC and plumbing solutions. Call us today at 780-962-6200